Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning crown using sapphire blue and clear rhinestones. Whether you're gearing up for a special event or just want to add a touch of glam to your accessory making, this tutorial is made for you. We'll start by transforming a simple metal headband by decorating it with some rhinestone cup chain. Then I'll teach you how to wire wrap sew-on rhinestones and turn them into beautiful decorations that you can attach to your headband base. Here's what you'll need: some pliers, jewellery wire, sapphire blue and clear rhinestones, rhinestone cup chain, and a plain metal headband. Did you know early references to sapphires can be traced back to ancient Greece, where they were often associated with the god Apollo and linked to wisdom, truth, and oracles. Throughout history, they have been considered a stone of great protection, often worn by those in power to ensure their safety and well-being. Sapphires have particularly been favorited by royal families across Europe. Today, sapphires continue to carry those symbolic meanings, but have also come to symbolize romantic love, making them a common choice for engagement rings. Now let's get started decorating the headband base. Get your rhinestone cup chain. You'll need 58 cups in total, which is about 26 centimeters in length. For this part of the crown making, you'll need the 28 gauge wire. Take the end of the wire and wrap it around the headband several times. Leave about 7 centimeters from the beginning of the headband with no rhinestone chain on it. Cut the excess wire off and press the end down with your chain nose pliers. Now, position the rhinestone cup chain on the headband and start wrapping the wire between each cup on the chain. Make sure it's wrapped around the headband tightly. Continue doing this until you reach the other end. Make sure the rhinestone chain is an equal distance away from the ends of the headband. Due to the smooth surface of the band, you're still able to move it around if they're not aligned. Wrap the wire around the headband several times and cut the wire off. To make sure that the rhinestone chain doesn't slide on the headband, add some strong clear glue like B7000 to where you started and ended the wire wrapping. Leave it to dry whilst you continue with the crown making. Next, I'll show you how you can make this small decoration with sew-on rhinestones. You'll need some 26 gauge wire. Cut about 35 centimeters of it. Straighten the wire to make sure it will go through the holes on the rhinestones. Measure 10 centimeters from one end of the wire and bend it there. Start with the sapphire blue teardrop rhinestone. Put the wire through two of the holes at the back. Slide it to where you just bent the wire. Then take the wire and pass it through the other holes at the back. Pull them through carefully so you don't get any kinks in the wire. If you feel like the wire is slippy, like I often do, use your chain nose pliers to grip it. Bring the wires together and twist them until you have about half a centimeter of it. Now, separate the wires and add a clear teardrop rhinestone on one of them. Leave a couple of millimeters of wire so you can twist the rhinestone once you have thread the wire through all the holes like you did with the first one. Then, repeat the same on the other side of the sapphire rhinestone. Bring the wires together and twist them to finish up the decoration. You'll need 6 of these for the crown. Let's continue by making the center decoration. Cut about 50 centimeters of the 26 gauge wire. Start the decoration with a clear teardrop rhinestone. Slide it to the middle of the wire. Use the same method with the wire and rhinestone as you did with the smaller decoration. Add 2 sapphire blue teardrop rhinestones below the clear stone. continue by adding 2 clear navette rhinestones under the blue ones. Bring the wires together and twist them a few times. Using your fingers, bend the rhinestone into a shape you're happy with. There you have it, a centerpiece for your crown. Here's all the branches needed. You'll also need some 5mm sapphire blue rhinestones. Now you can move on to attaching the decorations to the headband. Start with the centerpiece. To find the center of the headband, count 29 rhinestone cups from one end of the headband. Separate the wires on the centerpiece. Position it to the center of the headband. Wrap the wires in opposite directions from each other, making sure they're between the rhinestone cups, not on top of them. Snip off any excess wire with your side cutters. Now attach one of the smaller decorations. Attach it 8 cups away from the centerpiece. Wrap the shorter piece of wire around the headband to secure the decoration in place. Cut off any excess wire. Then wrap the longer wire around the headband and the cup chain going towards the centerpiece. Stop 4 cups away from it and get one of the small 5mm sew-on rhinestones. Put the wire through 2 of the holes at the back of it and slide it down the wire, positioning it against the headband. Now put the wire through the other 2 holes at the back of it. Pull it through, making sure the rhinestone is as close to the cup chain as possible. Twist it around a couple of times to encase it in the wire. Wrap the remaining wire around the headband a couple of times and cut off the excess wire. Now do the same on the other side of the headband. Continue attaching the small decorations between every 8th rhinestone cup and decorating the band with 5mm blue rhinestones between each small decoration until you have used up all 6 of the decorations. Straighten the rhinestones using your fingers. And here's your sapphire blue crown, ready to be worn. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.